Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Cantu Set is probably one of the most sought-after hair care collections for achieving defined, moisturized, and frizz-free curls, and today, we're diving deep into what makes this particular set a game-changer for textured hair enthusiasts, exploring its key components and how they work in synergy to transform your wash-and-go routines, protective styles, and overall hair health, ensuring your coils and waves receive the nourishment and definition they truly deserve. Number 5. Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. Discover the power of Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. It's designed to gently cleanse your hair, leaving it feeling refreshed and revitalized. This unique formula is infused with rosemary and mint, known for their beneficial properties. Experience a nourishing cleanse that helps strengthen your strands. Enjoy a moisturizing cleanse that doesn't strip your hair. It effectively removes impurities while maintaining essential hydration for softer, healthier-looking hair. Our shampoo works to repair and protect your hair from damage. It helps to fortify each strand, reducing breakage and promoting overall hair health. Suitable for both women and men, this shampoo is perfect for all hair types. Achieve stronger, more resilient hair with every wash. Give your hair the care it deserves with Mielle Organics. Feel the difference as your hair becomes stronger, healthier, and more vibrant. What we like. This shampoo is designed to strengthen your strands and promote healthy hair growth. If you're experiencing thinning hair or want to encourage longer locks, this is a great choice. It's ideal for those looking for a restorative and growth-focused hair care routine. What people say. This product is great for defining curls and reducing frizz. It leaves hair soft and manageable without a greasy feel. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering. Number 4. Luseta Glossy Pearl Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Discover the secret to radiant, healthy hair. This luxurious set is designed to bring out your hair's natural shine. Experience unparalleled smoothness and deep hydration. It effectively combats frizz, leaving your locks manageable and soft. Say goodbye to dullness and unruly hair. This formula enhances shine while expertly taming frizz for a polished look. Nourish and revitalize damaged strands. It provides essential moisture to help restore your hair's vitality. Effortlessly detangle knots and infuse your hair with vital nutrients. Each strand will feel stronger and healthier. Gentle yet effective, this sulfate-free formula cleanses without stripping essential moisture. It's kind to your hair and scalp. What we like. Achieve a glossy, smooth finish with this set. It's perfect for those battling frizz and seeking to add a healthy shine to their hair. If you desire a polished, sleek look and struggle with unruly hair, this duo will be your new best friend. What people say. It leaves my hair feeling soft and moisturized. This product defines my curls really well and helps reduce frizz. I love how it doesn't leave a sticky residue. Number 3. 36-in-1 Pedicure Kit. Introducing our comprehensive 36-in-1 Pedicure Kit, designed for ultimate foot care. Achieve salon-quality results right at home. This kit includes a variety of professional-grade tools to address all your foot care needs. From smoothing rough skin to detailed nail care, it has you covered. Easily remove dead and calloused skin with our effective foot rasp. Reveal softer, smoother skin with every use. Whether you're pampering yourself at home or providing services in a salon, these tools are perfect for maintaining healthy, beautiful feet. Invest in your foot health and beauty with this all-in-one solution. Enjoy the confidence of perfectly cared for feet every day. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers professional-grade tools for at-home or salon use. It effectively removes dead skin, leaving your feet feeling smooth and rejuvenated. If you're looking for a complete solution to achieve salon-quality pedicures without leaving your house, this is the set for you. What people say. It holds my hair in place all day. This product defines my curls and leaves them soft. It has a great scent and doesn't leave a sticky residue. Number 2. Cantu for Kids Haircare Regimen Set. Introducing the Cantu for Kids Haircare Regimen Set. It's designed specifically for your child's delicate hair needs. This set helps to gently cleanse and condition, leaving their hair soft and manageable. Say goodbye to tangles and hello to healthy-looking locks. With shampoo, conditioner, detangler, and leave-in conditioner, you have everything you need in one convenient package. It's a complete routine for beautiful, healthy hair. Infused with natural shea butter, it deeply moisturizes and nourishes. This helps to prevent breakage and promote growth for stronger, happier hair. The detangler and leave-in conditioner work together to smooth frizz and make combing easy. Enjoy a hassle-free styling experience every day. Formulated without harsh chemicals, it's safe for daily use on all hair types. Give your child's hair the gentle care it deserves. What we like. This is a complete hair care set specifically formulated for children. It provides gentle cleansing and deep moisture to keep young hair healthy and manageable. If you have kids with delicate hair and are looking for a simple, effective, and all-in-one solution, this regimen is an excellent option. What people say. This product is great for defining curls and reducing frizz. It leaves hair soft and manageable without a greasy feel. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering. Number 1. Moroccan Argan Oil Shampoo and Conditioner Set. Discover the secret to luscious, healthy hair. Our premium set is designed to nourish and revitalize every strand. Experience gentle yet effective cleansing. We've excluded sulfates and parabens, ensuring a pure and safe treatment for your hair. Infused with natural botanicals, this set is perfect for both women and men. It's a universal solution for beautiful hair. Say goodbye to dryness and frizz. Our professional formula deeply moisturizes, leaving your hair smooth, soft, and manageable. Specifically crafted to quench thirsty hair. It provides essential hydration, enhancing the natural beauty of dry, wavy, and curly textures. Restore your hair's vitality and shine. Enjoy a salon-quality experience right at home with this exceptional shampoo and conditioner set. What we like. Experience intense hydration and frizz control with this argan oil-infused set. It's perfect for dry, wavy, or curly hair types that need extra moisture and definition. If you're seeking a natural, nourishing solution to combat dryness and enhance your natural texture, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It holds my hair in place all day. This product defines my curls and leaves them soft. It doesn't leave a sticky residue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.